Yo, what is going on YouTube? This is Josh over here at American AF Dumpster Rentals in Dallas. All right, here's what's up. So our shop is in Waxahachie, Texas. So this past weekend, Waxahachie was hit with what we all thought was a tornadoes or several little tornadoes or several tornadoes throughout the entire town, because there was a lot of damage. We woke up Saturday morning to a ton of damage. Just very concentrated to Waxahachie, Ennis, and Maypearl, and we'll show you on the map exactly where that is. But lots of damage. So trees down, roofs that were torn off, all that stuff. So that was Saturday morning. As of that morning, when I woke up and I got to the shop to go check on damages to see if we were, the shop got hit at all, which we did, and we'll show you some video now that I took. But our entire garage door at the shop was blown out. It was like sucked out. It wasn't even like, it was crazy because there was no wind that could have come in from inside to blow it out. It was literally sucked out. And I did a very short live while I was there at the office on Saturday. Some of you may have seen it. And then as I was doing the live, I saw a booking come through and Alexis had taken a dumpster rental, and then the floodgates just kind of opened. So I believe I had 7 30-yard dumpsters that I delivered on Saturday. It was just one after the other. I take that back. 2 of them were doubles. So 2 of them, they wanted 2 30s. Luckily, I've had a influx of 30s from the new order that I had placed. So we had plenty of dumpsters to go around. Obviously, all the small ones were already out. I've been talking about that. I've had no 15s, no 20s, and no 25s even, other than the 3 I have at the yard that are spoken for. Those are already sold. So I haven't put those back into rotation at all. And man, we were slammed busy. Actually, it was just me, because Daniel was off over the weekend. David was off, so it was just literally me, which is fine. I just couldn't record. I recorded a little bit for you guys. You guys will see it a little bit on my camera. But it was a good time. It felt good to be able to have the inventory in stock and just kind of go. So very, very good weekend. And now our Monday is very busy as well, because we've got several deliveries. We also have lots of pickups. Lots of people already want us to pick them up and get them out of their property. So, and even yesterday I had a swap out because they needed an entire roof. This house is 6 months old, mind you, and the entire roof was ripped off. Crazy. So sad to see, but glad we were able to help him out. Did a swap out yesterday. We're gonna do another swap out for him today, and keep that ball rolling. So we're busy. We're gonna go dump this one and do a swap out. See, because you get the good morning.
When you're ready, me and her want
to order what?
Ready?
Oh yeah, okay.
Just let us know how much and we'll get you.
All right.
We can't wear them here, but when we're out public, we wear them.
There you go. Yeah.
Get you some advertising.
Absolutely awesome.
See you in a little bit.
Sweet. Thank you so much. 2.36 tons. Not much at all.
7 kicked in.
Things don't want to work. All right, sounds good, thanks. Oh. Jumping noise. This sounds terrible. Ready? Today? What city? No, the only thing we would have available today is going to be 30 yards. Yes, sir. Yeah, we can fit one in today. $650 plus tax. Good. How about over there? put the hook lift on the Mac. Are the roofers? Well, the roofers probably took the damn thing down. How you doing?
No way.
Huh? No, I mean it's gonna. We're just gonna pull it all out. So we should be good. No problem.
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good, good. Thank you so much. There's a guy across the street. What are you guys doing? Clearing that power line? The big one? I think I'm on. Okay. All right, sounds good. Thank you. Let's go down there, though. That'd be fun. Somebody hit that little corner. Okay.
They told me through there, but it's a kind of a tight fit. So I don't know if you can make it to that.
What do you want? So it's back there somewhere?
Kind of like a blue one.
I'm gonna pull this way and just back in. So you want it like right here? In the middle? Okay.
I have a question.
What's up?
You mind if I step up?
No, go ahead.
So I was wondering if y'all were possibly hiring, because I'm looking for a job. I have my Class A CDL.
Do you really?
Yes, sir.
Are you around here though, or where do you live?
I live in Mesquite.
Okay. Oh, you're kind of far.
What do you? But I'm 19. That's only it.
Oh shit! Yeah. Yeah, I think for us it's 25 or older because of DOT and that's and insurance, mainly insurance, not really DOT.
Yeah.
Who do you work for currently with a CDL?
Myself right
Oh,
now.
I got
I
you.
just do junk removal. It's just my little side hustle, I guess you could say. So.
Yeah. Yeah, because I had another guy who was 22 and the insurance is like, no, he kicked me out.
Dang.
So, yeah, you got a little bit to wait.
Yeah, thank you.
But no problem, man.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate you. Let us know if you need anything else.
Yes, sir. Might be another one pretty soon, so.
Are you cleaning out for the storage units?
Yes, sir.
That's a good little gig though, right?
Yes, sir.
Not bad. All right, sounds good. Okay, sounds good. Turn. I should be able to make that turn. Can I get out that way? No? I don't think so. Yeah, no. I had not interviewed, but I want to. I ain't playing. These two dumpsters I delivered on Saturday, both at the same time. I stacked them. And I also moved this dumpster for them and put it on the street. With Scrap It's permission, of course. Alright, so we've got two dumpsters being delivered down the street. And I'm about to unstrap them and unload one of them. So I can deliver one at a time. Alright. See to go up a little bit. One dumpster has been unloaded. We're pulling up to the customer's house. How you doing?
Hey, I was gonna ask you.
What's up, man?
You think you can pull that out and put it on the street so you can drop those two inside?
I can't legally touch anybody else's cans.
Because I wanted to put both inside the driveway, and they were supposed to drop a 30 yard, and they drop a 15 yard.
That's a 20 yard.
Or 20 yard. I'm responsible, you know, so we can put both in the driveway.
Let me make a phone call.
Okay.
Do you have that company's number?
They're closed today, but I can give you the number.
Let me get their number. I'd rather try to call them and ask them.
I can call the supervisor. I have his number.
Yeah, call them and ask them. I need permission to touch someone else's cans. Okay. All right, so this is a Scrap It can, and he's got the approval from Scrap It for me to move it for him. So we are gonna hook onto this guy's dumpster and move it out of the way. Looks good to me. Right there, good? Or you wanted more back? Good. All right, we are grabbing the first of the 230s. That is the can we just, man, we got a storm coming, looks like. That is the can we just took out of the driveway and put on the street for him. We'll deliver this one. You're gonna want room to close that door, I'd imagine, right?
No. So what I want space between the garage and the dumpster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you got room to close the door?
Probably. Let me check.
Okay. Dropping off the second dumpster. And drop it off real nice and quick. Good? We're all set. Thank you. You know if that's the line right there?
I think there is a little line.
Is it really long?
I don't know. They haven't told me.
So I can see it right here, huh?
I think the last guy I think was the outer way.
Oh, hell no. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna pull out that way. Thank you. Hell no. An hour wait. Nah. And if it's that, yeah. I don't know what I just said, but I said so. Yeah, Is that the line right there at the top of the hill? Nope. Nope. Good song. I don't know if I've been in here with this truck. Stop, stop. 2.18 tons, 2.18 tons. Not bad at all. Everybody was kind of light today. Oh, they're already putting the roof on. Or maybe that's how, I don't know. You get all this temporary fencing too that's all up. See all the temporary fencing? Dang, there's a lot of shit over there though. That's, man, the shingles came all the way over here. It's crazy. Junk removal. Literally a fence down there in the no pit. That sucks. That is that's our garage door. Just pulled up to the office. Opening the gate right now. And we got some storm damage for sure. Looks like the trailer was pushed back a little bit. No big deal. But this is part of our garage door. On the ground. Jeez. American flag is still up. Got no electricity. Definitely got water inside. And so, so yeah, we framed up. We framed it up, closed it up, and then same day they came in. I wasn't expecting them to come that fast and put in a garage door. So we got a new garage door, and then the roofers came yesterday because our roof was already bad as it was, and that storm didn't help at all. Let me show you what they did. We also had no power all weekend. This is what they did. So they took off the upper layer of metal. And so now we got a whole bunch of holes, I guess, where the screws were. And then I don't even know what's up with the big openings. But I thought they were going to come today and do it. And they haven't bothered showing up. So gonna definitely have some cleaning to do when they do. Yeah, that's the excitement around here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. I'm out for the day. What are you doing? I'm gonna grab me a snack for the day is what I'm gonna do. Get me another water. Around here we eat healthy. We got oats and honey. You hungry, you all? Later.